The wait is finally over. Apple is set to release their most anticipated tech of the year. Introducing the iMac 24-inch, 2023, an all-in-one desktop computer with a revamped design, fun colors and an amazing M-series chip inside. For the first time in 2 years, Apple is ready to launch a new iMac, and it looks like we're in for a treat. With the release of the M-series chip, the iMac 24-inch, 2023, will be the most advanced all-in-one computer ever released by Apple. The M-series chip is the most powerful and most advanced chip from Apple technology, and it's set to revolutionize the world of gaming and computing. With the M-series chip, Apple is taking the iMac up a notch. Not only is it more powerful, but it's also more efficient and more affordable. Apple hasn't revealed too much about the iMac 24-inch, 2023, just yet, but we do know it's still in the engineering validation testing stage. This means that it's likely to be released in the second half of the year, and the rumored M3 chip could be the one powering the iMac. Speaking of price, the iMac 24-inch, 2023, is expected to be priced similarly to the 2021 models. This means that the base model could start at around $1,299, £1,249, $1,899 Australian dollars, and the most kitted out configuration could cost around $2,499, £2,449, $3,699 Australian dollars. On top of that, it seems that the Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse will be included in the price, so you don't need to worry about buying those separately. So, what can you expect from the new iMac 24-inch, 2023? Well, expect the same 24-inch screen as its predecessor, an internal redesign, and the same fun colors: blue, green, pink, silver, yellow, orange and purple. It appears that Apple has a few behind-the-scenes changes planned too, so we'll have to wait and see what those look like. We won't know the exact details of the iMac 24-inch, 2023, until Apple reveals it. Until then, bookmark this page and sign up for daily breaking news and reviews about the world of tech. We'll update this page with all the information you need, so you can be among the first to get your hands on the next generation iMac and get ready to get a whole lot of computing power.